Now let's discuss Principle 6 of Napoleon Hill Keys to Success, which is organized planning and taking action, which really sounds like two things in one if you ask me, but hey, that's his book. So he suggests persistence and acting with enthusiasm to succeed. And he talks a lot about creating a plan first, an actionable plan. It doesn't have to be a formal business plan, but you should certainly have a plan, and you need to put it into action sooner rather than later and follow through and be persistent. He says that most people are good starters, but poor finishers. And what set most successful people apart is that they're not prone to giving up, because most regular people are prone to giving up at the first signs of defeat and failure and frustration. That's most people, but the successful ones, they persevere. So that's the takeaway from Principle 6. Put a plan into action, start, and persevere long term. The persistence long term, that is one of the foremost keys to success.